Looking for a foldable e-bike that fits your lifestyle? Today, we're comparing two popular models from Sohamo, the A2 and the S3, so you can find the right match for your daily ride. First up, the Sohamo A2. With a compact 14-inch by 2.1-inch wheel design, a fold size of approximately 29 inches by 24 inches, and a 48-volt 12 or 16 amp-hour battery, it delivers a range of around 20 to 40 miles, depending on the version. Its 350 to 400 watt hub motor powers top speeds near 20 miles per hour, making it ideal for urban commuting and smaller spaces. It also includes full suspension, dual 160mm disc brakes, and a very portable foldable frame, lightweight and easy to store. On the other hand, the Sohamo S3 steps up performance. It features a 750-watt motor, peaking at 1,100 watts, and fat 20-inch by 3-inch tires. Perfect for heavier rides, rough terrain, or riders who crave more power. The 48-volt battery comes in 15 or 20 amp-hour variants, delivering up to 40 to 60 miles of range, depending on the model. With a max speed of around 28 miles per hour, it's built for riders from 5 feet 1 to 6 feet 5 and can handle up to 300 pounds. Here's how they compare. Motor and speed. A2 350 to 400 watts, around 20 miles per hour. S3 750 watts, around 28 miles per hour. Range. A2 up to 40 miles. S3 up to 60 miles with the larger battery. Suitability. A2 is ultra-compact for city commuters with limited storage. S3 is more powerful, made for longer rides and heavier riders. Storage. A2 folds small and light. S3 still folds, but is slightly larger and heavier. So, which should you choose? If you're mainly riding short distances, storing indoors, and want something lightweight and easy, the A2 is your perfect match. But if you're after more power, longer range, and rugged versatility, the S3 is your upgrade. Both foldable, both from Sohamo. Both are built to move your way. To explore either model in more detail, check out the product links below. Visit Saksby.com and contact us on 1-8447-175044 or email us on hello@saksby.com.